Hey y'all, I'm Jen from Squizito, and I was making my lunch and I thought I would share this recipe with y'all because it's a really easy dip to make for your family, and it's healthier than most dips. And so I don't know if you've ever made hummus before, if you've ever tried hummus before. If you've tried it and you didn't like it, I think it's probably because you tried a flavor that maybe you didn't like, because you can make this taste like anything you want. So especially if you use our oils, we have so many different flavors of extra virgin olive oil that you can use in this recipe to make it your own. For instance, sometimes I use mushroom and sage oil, sometimes I use garlic oil. You could use the Tuscan herb, you could use lime, you could make it blood orange, you could do lemon, really any flavor you want. And you could do spicy green chili oil, that would be really good too. But anyway, so I almost always have a can of chickpeas with me. You can, like if I'm running out of the house and I don't have lunch, I always grab a can of chickpeas so I can make some hummus, because it's something that I could do that's filling and it's satisfying to me, and you can make it different every time. And so if you don't have all the ingredients, I don't know if you've ever made it before, but normally it calls for tahini paste. So you don't have to have tahini paste. If you have sesame oil, it's essentially the same thing, except for one's a paste and one's a oil. So our toasted sesame oil is fantastic to use in this recipe. But I'll just tell you, super easy. So what I do is I drain a can of chickpeas, and I will reserve the liquid because I use about 5 teaspoons of the chickpea liquid from the can. Now, if you want to make your own chickpeas, do that. That's great. But I just use canned because, yeah, it's easy. And then you're going to need 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. So I used our new fused garlic olive oil today, and it's a really great flavor. So this is a brand new oil. We've had the infused garlic oil, and we just got the fused, and so you need to try it. But you can use anything. So 1/4 cup of the, I'm going to start over. So we're going to need 1 can of chickpeas. I'll just read it to you real fast if you're writing it down. And then you're gonna need 5 teaspoons of the liquid from the beans from the can. 1/4 cup of olive oil, any flavor. 3 teaspoons of red wine vinegar, and this is something you can use in place of lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil to use instead of tahini paste. So, and then salt to taste. Blend that up, and it's amazing. Today, I actually blended up a green chili, a red chili stuffed olive in there, and so it gave it a little bit of spice, and so I had some red chilies left, and so I'm going to eat those too. But you can add anything you want to it. You just blend it up, and then you can eat it with some chips. We have some really awesome new chips at the store that I really like to eat, these Wicked Crisp. I really like to eat them with hummus. They are like the perfect consistency for hummus. So like, you know, because they dip really well, they don't break, but they don't break your teeth either. They're see, watch, you can still break it. Hold on. So it's not hard to break either. It just made it look hard. But anyway, so these are really good if you're close by and you can stop by and grab those. But make some hummus. This is a great weekend. Everybody's gonna be making dips and stuff, finger foods for this weekend, Memorial Weekend. Also, you can make flatbread to go with it. If you have the new cookbook, the flatbread recipe is on page 22, and so if you don't have the cookbook, you need the cookbook. It's amazing, and you can find all kinds of new recipes to use your products. So that's fun. But anyway, I hope you make hummus. It's delicious, and like I said, sometimes or most recipes call for tahini and lemon juice. So substitutions for those are red wine vinegar and sesame oil. So then you can make your hummus. Anyway, hope y'all enjoy this. Make some hummus. Bye.